Welcome. In the oil and gas sector, navigating the permitting process is absolutely crucial for any operation. Today, we're demystifying the world of oil and gas permits. The permitting process ensures that oil and gas activities are conducted safely, responsibly, and in compliance with environmental and public health standards. Permits are essential. They provide regulatory oversight, minimize environmental impact, and protect public resources throughout the life cycle of an energy project. Permitting is governed by a complex framework involving federal, state, and local regulations. Operators must satisfy requirements from all levels to proceed legally. Our first category covers initial stages: exploration and seismic permits. These are required before you even break ground to confirm resource viability. Seismic surveys use sound waves to create images of subsurface rock layers, helping geologists identify potential oil and gas reserves without invasive drilling. Exploration permits require detailed plans on mitigating impacts to wildlife, minimizing surface disturbance, and ensuring all data collection methods are safe and non-damaging. Next, once resources are identified, you need drilling and well permits. These are arguably the most critical permits required to physically extract oil or gas. The permit to drill, or APD, is essential. Requirements include site safety plans, details on drilling procedures, casing designs, and comprehensive waste management strategies. Drilling permits often trigger specific environmental reviews, focusing on water usage, groundwater protection, and handling of drilling fluids to prevent contamination. Moving into the long term, production and operation permits govern the sustained extraction and processing of resources from the well site. These permits authorize continued operation, often requiring regular reporting on production volumes, reservoir management, and mechanical integrity testing of wells. Controlling air pollution is paramount. Air quality permits dictate limits on flaring, venting, and emissions from processing equipment, ensuring compliance with Clean Air Acts. Once extracted, oil and gas must be moved. Transport and infrastructure permits are necessary for building the systems that carry resources to market. For pipelines, right-of-way permits are required to secure access across public and private lands, often involving extensive land use and environmental reviews. Facility construction permits ensure that storage tanks, processing plants, and associated infrastructure meet safety standards and proper zoning regulations. Finally, when a well is no longer viable, plugging and abandonment permits are required to safely and permanently seal the well and reclaim the site. Well closure requires strict procedures, including filling the wellbore with cement plugs and removing surface equipment, all overseen by regulatory bodies. Reclamation ensures that the land is restored to its original condition or a suitable state, minimizing long-term environmental liability. That wraps up our overview of the many types of permits in the oil and gas sector. From seismic surveys to well abandonment, regulatory compliance is continuous and complex, requiring meticulous planning and execution at every step. Adhering to these permits isn't just about legality. It's about ensuring safety, environmental stewardship, and maintaining public trust in the energy industry.